we're going to edit some clips. I have set of clips which I have downloaded from some website, which is already, it's a free one. You can also download from the same website. I download from Pexels. Okay, the images we were downloading from the website, same website, videos also available. So I have few clips. Even I have just watched the intro only. I've not seen very detail. As I'm showing to you how, as a beginner, will edit if you got a clip. Okay, you're not expert in Adobe Premiere, how you're going to edit it. But I will show you some advanced things also between. So it won't, I don't need to show you that individually. Some of the text and all, I'm going to use some advanced option, not advanced option, default only, but you have not yet studied that option. Okay, I have a clip I'm taking here now. My project and all, I'm going to keep with the same, the projects what we have done now, the same projects only. Of course, you need to take a new projects, you need to take a new sequence. Okay, I'm not repeating that again. Now in this, I have a clip over here. Okay. This is music. I want to do it. Of course, it's not a simple music. Drag and drop. It's having some drums. It's an Afro type. Afro. The subject is traveling. Some different location is specific. Okay. It's very important your music is good. If your music is not good, you don't feel an appeal, you know, that all impact will lose. Now here, this is the clip I need, an intro. I know this is not the right video to do intro. Intro, I will show you some of the clips just for you to understand what I can show in intro. Better one. This is okay to do it in an intro. This is okay to do it in an intro. This is okay. Okay, I'm showing you here because I want to show you some effects. That's the reason I have taken this. Okay. Now this clip till here I need drag and drop this. For time being, I don't want to listen this music again, so I can mute it. There is an option over here, mute track. You cannot hear mute. There is solo also, so let it add some other track, then I will tell you. Solo means only that track will work, remaining all will mute it. Okay. Now I'm keeping this mute. The only voice won't come. I need a text here in water. As a beginning, I need to add a text. Should feel like water, and it is similar kind of an effects also. Okay. Usually I told you this kind of detailed work will do it in After Effects. Okay. But we'll try what we have. You know how to create a title. So I go to title. And use some this text you can edit anytime. Okay. You need to find some good font which is similar to that, and it's similar to your subject. And the text, for time being, I'm keeping this. You can change it. I drag and drop here. So it's beginning with this one. We need to do Control D, right? Select it. So dissolve happen. Then slowly go. When it reach to this area, my text should be visible. I like to do text mine little bit left side. If I want to do a simple transitions, what I will do it, select and Control D. So you can see it will disappear. Okay. So I'm trying some other transitions, what I can do it better. In effects, there is video effects, in effects, video effects, distort, in Photoshop we have distort, same kind of distort. And there is something called turbulent displace. Okay, I'm trying this one here. Go to effects. And here, you see this one when this will have a distortion here. Complexity can increase it. So you're getting a similar water feel, right? Some kind of ripple effects. I'm trying to do this. But for this effects also, I need to do keyframe for this. This is an advanced option. By chance, if you're facing difficult on this version, you can skip this title area, then continue, then later you can come back and do the title portion, okay? Because this is doing in this effects and title portion. I mean, some of the video effects we are doing. We have not discussed any more video effects over there. So what I'm trying, first everything make it 50 was default. Let me do 2. Or how it controls it. Let me go back. This is what we have. When I drag and drop on this, you can see that effects came over here now. When I drag and drop this effects from here to here, this effect property came over here now. Now here, how it should be in the first, if I'm keeping this 0, you can see it will be like this now. So after sometimes it should be like this, okay? Before it will be little bit distorted, ripple kind of an effect. So let me play, and when I need to get it in a proper, here, on this time I need to get it like this. So I selected amount, keyframe size, I don't know. So let me, for time being, keyframe for everything here. Okay, and we will change it only what we need. And the first how it will look, let it be 50 anyhow. It was okay before. And the size mean the size of this, you want smaller or size. I want to make a little bit smaller. Then complexity, right? Complexity let increase. This evolution means, it's a movement happens on it. That cycle movements. Now the size I want to increase and check a little bit. So if I do, I stop now. When I'm playing from here, it will start to create the next one. Can you see? It create like this. And here in the end also, let it be this 50. 50 means 20 maybe. Yeah. Small waves, it's okay. Offset means when you do increase the offset here, it will have more movements on it. In the first beginning, how to go to that keyframe, you have to click on this one, okay? From here. Offset, okay, complexity is 10. Let me reduce this much, yeah. Zero. There's a small, crispy movement comes between. It will be smooth. There is something we need to, one of the options we need to increase and decrease it. But I need to check that. Which one was it? I don't exactly remember. Can you see jump, 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 jump? What jumping happened? It will not happen that. I need to check that. What it is. One by one, need to switch off and check. Size was switch off. No, not size. Let me amount. Let me switch off it and check. No. Complexity. Let me switch off it. Yes. So we understood the problem is complexity. So complexity I keep in the static. No animation for it. You understand? This may happen in many effects. Okay. This complexity can increase and decrease, but I don't give any animation on it. That's why it was jumping. Now there is a smooth transition now. Let it be 0. Now you can see red color here. That means this is not playing on the right speed. Okay, you need to render it. Then only you will be able to play in the right speed. For temporary, if you want to preview this one, you can go to I here, go here, O here, in and out. Then you press Enter key. You can see it is rendering. It is rendering only this area. Okay, so this video is going to render and saving to your folder. Wherever you create your project, there will be one preview folder. In that preview folder, there will be one video will render. Okay, it takes some time now. That's why quickly I'll keep it a small one, then I show you. Otherwise, it takes some time. Yeah. Now you can see it become green color here. Can you see it's green color? That means its right speed is coming over there. If it is green color, it's perfectly fine. Okay. Red means it's not rendered. Yellow we directly imported. It is not because this is a high. The size of the video is bigger. I will show you this video size. No, this is okay. The quality of the size will be high. That's why coming in yellow. If it is rendered one, it will be in green. If there is any detail we have done, any effects we have given, it will change to the red color. Finally, if it is green color, then only the right speed, right effects you will be able to see. Now we have done this now. Now what I need, this one will be appearing from here. From here. Position have a keyframe. Little bit before I'm going to extend, and from here, this is outside position, and now it have to go down. The speed we need to check now. Fine. Okay. Now you need to blend with this background. So select this text and you can see your opacity. You have blending mode. Go here, choose overlay. It will blend with the water, the text. So wherever the green color is there, it will be green. Wherever white is there, it will be white. I'm adding one more effects on it. This is very sharp now, this whole border. Can you see all borders are sharp? I want a little bit blurry. So in effects, there is something called blur. Here we have Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur. Drag and drop this Gaussian blur on top of this. Then you see the Gaussian blur. If you do Gaussian blur, it will be blur like this. So what I need to get till here, let it be Gaussian blur. What is the Gaussian blur called? Yeah, sorry, I already done one time. Okay, see, the Gaussian blur will be 0 here, and the beginning it should be blur. So you see how much you need, 44 or something, right? So no, this is not enough. 20, 25. Fine. So you want a little bit slowly, you can keep like this. I think if less is enough, because if you do more, it becomes smoke. Okay, now you don't feel more comfort to give in this overlay. You can try, there are different type of blendings other, depends on the video. See, I'm just scrolling from here. Different type of blending you will be getting. Check with the multiply and all. Sometimes it will be suitable for the multiply and some in some background. Okay, so I think here with the soft light or overlay will be perfectly fine. Okay, or you can keep it normal white color also, it's also fine. So we have done a simple title with some of the effects. We use little bit blur also. You understand what I did on the blur? When I did on the blur, that's the reason I'm able to see this one now. See this blurry little bit. Okay, and this is gone. Now we start to do. Let it be. This out, I'm going to keep it till here. We don't want to stop there. It's a long video, right? So we are starting here. Now we switch on the audio and see. Let's take okay, that humming sound comes. There we will change to the next one. So let me remove this one. Okay, then we find for the next clips. I have some clouds and all right. For the beginning, it's this is a nice one, so I'm gonna keep it here. It's a long clip. From here I can take many portions. We don't need that. It's already edited somebody, okay, this clip. So we're gonna take some portion only. See the video size is okay or not? Effects. See, it's very bigger. So keep like this. It's 4K. I'm gonna switch to the next one. Let me check what I have. I don't want this shot. We need this one. It's all similar clip from the same location. We're going to take this. Okay, this is fine. Let's see somewhere else. We don't need that all now. This is good, but the water is done now. Okay, let me check some other water or cloud. That was okay. This is okay. Drag and drop here. See the camera movement is there? Correct. Clip from here. Gonna drag here. Crop it there. And get back to this. Get back to this. Some traveling photograph video is there, road and all. So we're going to switch to some of the clip like this. Again, this is 4K. So you need to make smaller. Okay, here I want to do something. Okay, maybe scale or something. Here I want to do some scale or something quickly. Give a keyframe. Already there is a transition here. They're given. So it's nice. So let me continue that. I've not done. Here I did a zoom, okay? See, these, you have seen the transition. I will show you we can do this, okay? We can do with our one type of. I want to cut again for somewhere else. This one we don't need. Similar, some short. So when you edit this one, if you have seen road, similar kind of road, how can you connect it? See, first, these all clips should come. This is too long, right? It should come to the timeline. Then we can manage it. We understand that something which is maybe you feel like this is not going together, and we're going to change it. And what kind of editing else we can do? This all 4K, so it's very. Okay, maybe this one, and we have similar. Maybe another road is there. Any top view? It's not good. Yeah, this is another one, but it's a different angle. It's coming back. We'll see. We can try this. Let me check any other green. Same we have. So we have done now. We have checked already. This is nice. This I was searching for, okay. The road things, if we got similar, yeah, it can work. I'll take this also. And we'll try to connect maybe this to. We take some portion. Track here. Okay, I'm keeping top of this. We have one more here, right? How can I connect? I'm just going to keep this repetition is not good, but for typing I'm keeping because we can do something later. This bouncing thing are nice in some video, up and down things are nice. Okay, few things are there. So I've done few movements now, right? So I was not having much elements to edit now because it was almost fine. Simple movements are there for the camera movement. There is no shaky camera because it's all professional shots which I have downloaded. If there is any problem between, you need to cut and also some other video. Just watch how we have done. That's a mistake. Can you see here? Camera is move. All camera movement come. Let me mute it. Camera movement come. Then this only is static. Then after some time only is moving. Okay, but that things won't look nice. Always you keep the same flow of the movement. Now it's very slow. This movement happen. I want to increase the speed of this clip. Okay, I want to increase the speed. You can see there is an option over here which is called rate stretch tool to increase and decrease the speed of the clip manually. Rate stretch tool. Rate stretch tool. You can select this one. So I can make like this. Now it's faster. Otherwise, the other option is you have to select the clip, right click, then go to speed duration, and it is 100 now. Make to 200 now. What happens? It is faster than this, double. 200 now. It's faster. Again, can do because this quality of the video is good. That's why it's okay to do faster. If I stretch it like this, then use the selection tool, then I can increase the speed. I mean, increase the duration of the video. Right click, ripple, delete. We have did one scaling over here. It's already have added transition, and we had some of the clip like this. We don't know some of the clips together will go or not, some of the clip will be matching or not, and is it the right clip we have choose or not? We have no any idea. What I have done, we just imported this all the clips over here. Then once this all the clips kept over here, and we will find it some of the shots which is not going, then we need to rearrange it. We need to crop it on the right place. Okay, that's all we need to work. So